Hello everyone, today I will be showing you what we will be creating by the end of this course. And the application that we will be creating during this course is called PyDA, or the Python Digital Assistant. So first, when we load the application, we get this little box with a text box. And we can ask this text box any information, and it will gather data from the internet and then try to give us an answer. So let's just start with a very simple question. What is the meaning of life? Very simple. And it says 42 according to the book The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams, which is a great book if you haven't read it yet. Okay, next we can also ask it to do some simple math problems for us. So instead of having to get out that calculator app, you can just go on your computer if you're already on it and do some calculations. So let's say 7 plus 5, 12, and we can also do it with algebra, so 7x plus 5x, we get 12x. Great, we can also get data from Wikipedia. So if we say something like what are, or what is, or who is, or anything like that, it will give us the Wikipedia article of what we look up. So if I ask it something like, who is Thomas Edison? And you will see it comes up with the Wikipedia article, or at least the summary of it, for Thomas Alva Edison. Great. And this is just the finished product of our application. After this, there will be a section of the course where we will add additional things to our application. So for instance, maybe making it talk, making it go into other languages, etc. And we'll just keep on adding features over and over again until you have a bulk application that suits your needs that you can really use in the real world. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my course.